Let's check out this drop top here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking Tri-5, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. Powered by an Era Correct 283 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a automatic transmission. Take a look at this chrome and bright work up front from the headlight surrounds to the grille. This is a true Bel Air, also with the VC VIN. So originally V8 car and a Bel Air. I also want to let you know it's going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at how nicely this hood fits too. You can see with the seams between the fender and the hood. Tell it has been nicely restored. Original tropical turquoise car too. $799 is the paint coat on this. $680 for the trim, so that'd be turquoise and ivory interior. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that data tag, you'll be able to see the VIN tag, underside, interior, engine bay. Over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can call in 507-386-1726. If you'd like to reach somebody, maybe consult with them about that extendable warranty protection plan. You can see writing on wide white walls, wheel covers, and then take a look at this bright work and the condition of the bright work up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see it's nicely polished, not full of nicks or dings, scratches for that matter. There's the interior. So turquoise and ivory interior, has a white power vinyl top. We're going to put that up at the end of the video here. Let's check that out. Very stock looking interior. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run. I believe this would have been an accessory back in 1957. Protect the paint from, say, fingernails or what have you when you're opening the door. My Tri-5 experts will let me know about that, I'm sure, on the YouTube comments. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. This will come with a set of seat belts. I noticed it had them in the rear, but not the front. There will be a set of seat belts that go along with it. Take a look at the chrome rear bumper, and again, bright work around the rear of this car. Dual exhaust, as you can see down below the bumper there. Of course, the gas spill on these, nicely hidden. Back when they made some cool looking cars, no doubt about that. uniqueclassiccars.com. Speaking of which, that's where you can check out all the still pictures of this car. Like I said, the underside, take a look at the underside, engine bay, trunk. Let's take a look down this driver's side also. And you can see the bright work on this side, trim pieces also nicely polished, straight, free of nicks, dings, scratches. Paint shows very well in this car. And again, original tropical turquoise car. As far as the vinyl, seating surfaces free of rips, tears, holes, as is the top. Once again, we will run that up at the end of the video here. Good looking interior, door panels, all in nice shape. I have had the radio power up. I didn't get a station or reception. I did have the wipers work. And let's go ahead and fire this up. Blower fan, that was the other one I wanted to mention. Blower fan, did have that working. All right, again, stock looking dash. See all of that. Of course, automatic transmission. Top of the dash, good shape. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. The door closes nicely. And you can see how everything fits nice. It's even, gaps between panels. Nicely restored car. Sounds good too. Nice little rumble coming out of that. Take a look at the door. Nice even gaps there too. Off the front. Not too bad. Looks good. Alright, I think, let me see. I think I'm ready to get this hood open one hand here. looks like new hinges and springs for the hood. Maybe part of the reason it's got a nice fit. Era correct, 283. Pretty stock looking underneath here. Guess what you'd expect. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay on a good looking car. And remember, real deal Bel Air convertible. Check out that data tag and the still pictures. There'll also be a driving video at the end of this, so you can kind of get a little virtual ride in this car, so to speak. But for now, let's get this top up. It is a power top. It works as it should. We'll get the top up and check that out, and move along with this video. You can also see it does have the convertible top boot, parade boot if you will, and that's a nice shape. So now let's check out the top. And here it is with the top up. So nice fit. Above the windshield. White vinyl. Rolled the side glass up so you get an idea how that fits in there also. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Rear window, clear. And the passenger side. Again, free of rips, tears, holes, side glass is rolled up. See how that fits. And back around to that front. Nice fit above the windshield. '57 Chevy. Convertible. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Remember, consult with your sales associate when you call in, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. The top is down. Very nice looking turquoise and white on this car. This is an automatic, right on the column. Our turn signal indicators are working. Very nice ride in this car. Factory horn is working. Temperature right down near the cold on the gauge. Fuel gauge is showing a half the tank. Our windshield wipers do work on this car. The blower motor also functions. Radio will pick up static. It powers up, but I have not been able to pick up an AM station. Very nice condition interior. Factory looking bench seat in this car. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays right where you put it, right in the middle of the lane. It doesn't pull either direction. Very smooth running car. Brakes are working excellent. Styling on this car is probably the most iconic you can get for an American classic. And being a convertible, even the cooler. This car corners as it should for a 57 Chevrolet. Great cruiser, feels good on the road. Awesome for a nice summer day like today. Read about the details and check out all the pictures. There's over 100 pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.